In front of me is Motorola S50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of them and accessing it in the background. Then do exactly the same to the second one. And after that, launch background apps to decide which one you wish to use in split screen view. Then click on the icon of it, hit split top and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!